there are plants here, look. And they got these awesome cars, look at this. Vegas Golden Knights. Anyways, here we go. Alright guys, wow, another stop. This one is amazing. Oh, I hope the wind doesn't cause too much sound. Look at that right there. Ooh, wow, that is fast. Anyways, here we are. We are currently in a dry lake. This used to be a lake. This area here, and as you can see now, there's no water in it. It's being used by ATVs and UTV like that, some motorcycles, and occasionally people like us who actually go out of the way to explore places like this. But the wind is really strong, so I hope you can hear me. I'll show you guys what an amazing place this is. Look. Hey, there's actually trails going up there. Yep. Wow, this goes all the way over there, and there's even a trail going up the mountain there as well. There's one there too. Yes sir. So yeah, we are basically in the middle of nowhere as far as your eyes can see. Look at this. Hey. Woo! And surprisingly, there are plants here, look. Alright, we're gonna chill in the car for a little bit, enjoy the view here, then we're gonna continue on with our journey. What is this?
Fudge. I haven't had one so long.
No. Okay, well guys, we were supposed to go to White Castle. I don't know if you guys have seen Harold and Kumar.
Vanguard.
Yeah, where they went to, they got high and then they went to White Castle. So we were supposed to go there, and now it's a wow, it's a big location. Now it's like a, I don't know how to explain. How do you explain this place, bro? Like a big
Strip
like
inside
like
the
a, like a
building.
like, yeah, like a gift shop kind of. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Look, see, we have that. They sell clothes, a lot of other stuff. There's keychains, there's magnets, and they got these awesome cars. Look at this, Vegas Golden Knights. I don't know which team that is. Is it?
Yeah.
They have hockey here?
Vegas
It's a desert though. I mean, I guess they can have an indoor. Yeah. And of course, you know, Area 51. Hey,
Oh yeah, Area 50. Look,
what up, bro? Hey, what's up? Hey. Oh, that is cool. Anyways, yeah, that's basically the whole apparently it's called Terribles now. Yeah, so they have all the merchandise inside. They have I think as you can see over there, see, it's like a rest stop now, a rest stop. They sell all kinds of food, they sell all kinds of merchandise. So we're gonna go around and take a look at all of them. What did you find? Oh, that's
alien body.
oh.
Yo, it's so expensive.
How much?
It's $50.
1.5?
No, 50.
50?
For this, I mean, that's
Oh
USD
my
as well.
god, USD. So that's like what, 70 Canadian?
It's around there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so the merchandise there were like gift shops, and then we have Area 51 stuff here. Ooh. And we even have hats. Whoa. Those are the kind of hats I dig actually. So I'm wearing a bucket hat. And we got Candyville. Ooh, these kids will love this place. I guess most of the stuff here are for kids. They even have like a playground over here. See? And this one too. Another stop on the way. I do apologize if it's like too windy, but as you can see, there's a lot of cars over here parked, and there's even a vending there. But we are in the 7 colored mountains over there. You can see right there. That's where we're going. Hold on. This is free to the people. Please respect the artwork. No vandalizing. Okay. We will respect the artwork. No vandalizing, guys. Hold on. Artwork of crossing in balance, marbles, excessive colors. Okay, this is the guy who made it, I guess. What is 7 Magic Mountains? Nevada Museum of Art, a large-scale site-specific public artwork by artist Hugo Rondinon. Okay. His long-running interest in natural phenomena and the reformulation in art. Oh yo, it's inspired by hoodoos, bro.
Hoodoos?
Yeah, inspired by naturally occurring hoodoos. Okay, so if you guys know, we're from Alberta, and we do have hoodoos there. One in Banff, and then a few in what's that place again? With the dinosaurs?
Drumheller?
Drumheller, right. So we have seen the actual hoodoos in Alberta, as well as in well, it's in Alberta. It's in Banff and Drumheller. So now we're seeing a fake one with colors. Look at that. Very nice. And this is the surrounding, by the way. Basically a desert place. You can see me over here. The backdrop is it's all desert here. Very very arid. Lots of wind though. Like there's no clouds, but there's lots of wind. I don't understand that.
Mountains.
Yeah, maybe because there's nothing to block the wind, like no trees. That's why it's always windy. So maybe that's what it is. Anyway, here's a closer look. There you go. Kind of sucks that all my vlogs in this road trip has been there's just wind. Alright, maybe I should invest in like a Rhodes mic. Then at least, you know.
A small one?
Yeah, where it blocks the wind, you know. So, right, here we go, guys. Let's get closer first before taking more pictures. Look at that. Wow. Interesting. Oh wow, they're actually pretty tall, huh? Look at this one. Wow. Now 1, 2, now 1. Wow, there's so many. Let's go to near the end where. Let's go near the end where there's not a whole lot of people. Anyways, here we go. Well, thanks for this art installation, Mr. Hugo. I don't know where you are right now. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna appreciate the art here and then continue on with the journey. Peace out.